Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with an Amazon haul. No, I don't have my nails painted because I'm giving it a rest so they can breathe a little and they will be painted again. So let's pull this out and see what's in here. Ooh. Let's see if I can find a place to put the bag. So first we have 4-inch paper clips. I've seen Tsunami Rose use these a lot, and I wanted to get a few. I'm trying not to hurt my hand, so it's still healing. So I'm trying my best to open things using just my left hand to pull things on. Oh, look at this, how pretty. Look at that. I still can't use my glue gun, and it's been over a month, almost a month already since I had my surgery, and there's still some swelling, some bruising, so we'll see what happens. Let's get this part off. Put that there, and we're gonna hold this with one finger and pull it. Now, I got ideas for these. Y'all know me. Y'all know me, y'all know me, y'all know me. Okay, so that's those two. Then we have this, which I need a pair of scissors. I'm gonna snip it this way. Put that to the side. And we're gonna snip this way. Just to get inside of it is a lot of work. And it's all bone folders. Yes. And I don't remember what size they are, but they're all the same size. So, we'll see what I do with these. Look at that. And it looks like it's all Teflon. But this has got some little, I don't know what they call it in it, some imperfections. Let's open up another one and see. I don't mind it. It's just, I thought they would be a little bit, I like them. So, nothing wrong with a little imperfection. Let's get this one. They all have it in the same spot. See? I don't know if you can see it on camera. No, it won't come up on camera, but there's some imperfections here and here. You might be able to see it when I take pictures, but that is that. I'm not going to open all of them. You never know, I might use them for a giveaway or whatever. Now in here, I also got 2 cordless mice. One with rose gold trimming and one with silver trim. So we got those 2. I'm going to save these little bags because I can reuse the bubble bags. So this is just on how to use the mice, and I already know how to use it, so I'm going to save the box or something. You never know. So here we go. It's the 2 mice. Bone folders. Let me move these out of the way. And paper clips. I could have sworn there was something else, but I don't remember what it was. So we got the 4-inch paper clips in gold and silver. Let me see what size the bone folders are for you guys. Come on. Mr. Amazon doesn't want to open for me. The bone folders are 8 inches. So they're 8 inches long. And then we got the mice in rose gold and silver, which is rose gold and white, black and silver. And they are battery operated, of course. And here is the piece here to plug into the USB. But until I can get batteries for it, I want to be using it. I think I have a battery to put in this one here, because I want to give it a try to see how I like it. So we're gonna pull this out here. I thought I had a battery on my desk. That's a Tornado Alley here, but I don't see it. I don't see it. So let me see something. Oh, can't do that. This has a screw. Mr. Battery, where are you? I know I saw one on my desk, but I don't know where it went to. It grew feet and walked away. That's what happened with it. Let me see. Ah, I found one. Maybe. No, that's a triple A battery. I need a double A battery. Is it double A? Yeah. Okay. We got to find that battery. I know I have one, but where did it go? Things be growing feet and walking away. Oh, almost had a craft a lynch. Craft a lynch averted, guys. Craft a lynch averted. Let's see. Maybe I can try this one. So we're gonna put it in my thing, my little USB thing over here. If Vanessa can get it in the right way. Let's give it time to click. It doesn't seem to be working. So I'm gonna try. Ooh. I'm gonna try one more spot and see if it'll work. Oh no. As you can tell, the battery's working fine, but the mouse is not working. So I will let you guys go, and I will be back if I can get this to work. Because see, the light is on, but it's not connected to my computer. Let me try something. Let's move this for now. No, it's not connecting. at all. Oh, there we go. Let me see. Okay. Hmm. Okay, we got it working. So now I gotta try to connect my other USB thingamajiggy, which is my headphones. That's connected. Let me try something here. Okay. So I can put this back over here. I need to order me another USB port strip. So we're going to put this down here for a second. And we're going to use the new mouse to see. Okay. So now I got to find where my camera is. So I'm going to say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to give a thumbs up. And hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload new videos or any content or when I go live. So I will see you all in the next video. Please be kind, be crafty, stay safe, be crafty. And blessings to all. Hugs and kisses to all. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye bye for now.